Hello and welcome to the Omeka installation tutorial. First we will begin by opening a browser window. I'll be using Firefox. Navigate to http://omeka.org/. Click the Download Omeka button. Click the button again. Choose Save File. Click OK. Either navigate to your desktop or right-click within the Downloads. Choose Open Containing Folder. Right-click the Omeka folder. We're going to unzip it. Choose Extract All. Click Next. This explains where it will be unzipped. Click Next. Once the progress bar is completely finished, click the Finish button. Next, we will need to open up Secure Shell. We'll be using the GUI version of Secure Shell. Tap the spacebar to connect. Type your FSU ID, .iSpace.ci.fsu.edu, your FSU ID. Click Connect. Type your iSpace password. Double-click within the public HTML folder. Navigate to the Omeka 1.0 folder. Double-click within. Drag the Omeka folder over. This will take a couple minutes to finish uploading. Once it's uploaded, right-click the Omeka folder. Choose Properties. Change this to 755. Click OK. Double-click within Omeka. Right-click the Archive folder. Properties. Change this to 777. Click OK. Go within the Archive folder. Click the Files folder. Properties. Change this to 777. Right-click the Full Size folder. Change this to 777. And so on until you've done every directory within the Archives folder. All will be changed to 777. Next, go back to your browser window. Go to your browser window. Type www.iSpace.ci.fsu.edu. Type in your FSU ID, your iSpace password. Click Enter or Login. Next, we will create a new database. Click the New Database tab. Type in a name for your database. Notice that the name of the database is actually your FSU ID underscore and the name you're inputting. Click Submit. You'll see it successfully added the database message at the top. Now we will switch back to our SSH window. Go up. Next, we will navigate back to our SSH window. On the right side of the screen, click the folder with the up icon. This will take you up one directory. Do the same on the left side of SSH window. Find the db.ini file. Drag this over to the left side of the screen. Minimize your SSH window. Navigate to your desktop or your desktop directory. Right-click the db.ini file. You can choose to edit with Notepad++ if you have Notepad++, or you can choose Open with, and you can choose Notepad. I'll be using Notepad++. Once you have this file open in your text editor, we will modify the fields that have X's. Your host name is your FSU ID, .iSpace.ci.fsu.edu. Your username is your FSU ID. Your password is the password you have for your iSpace account. Name is the name of your database, which is actually your FSU ID underscore the name that you input. Click Save. Once you have saved your db.ini file, navigate back to your SSH window. Click the refresh icon. Click the db.ini file and drag it back to the right. Click Yes to all. Next, we will go back to our browser window. We will navigate to http://yourfsuid.iSpace.cu.fsu.edu/Omeka. My version is -1.0. This can be different for you. / and click Enter. You will be taken to this page. You should click the Begin Installation Process. Simply fill out the fields with the desired information. You may leave these settings to the default settings if you do not want to specify your own. You can create your own username and password. Click Continue. You should get an installation is finished message. You can click Check out your site. This will show you what your site currently looks like. If you hit the back button, you can click the admin panel. Use the information you just assigned. Click Login. And within the admin panel, you are able to make any changes you'd like to Omeka. Thank you, and hopefully this tutorial has helped you install Omeka onto your iSpace account.